I'm Ali Kelly and I'm founder and CEO of Mindblank. But why do we exist? Statistics show that every 3 hours in Australia, someone takes their life by the means of suicide. And from this, we have another 12, 13 to 15-year-olds who also make an attempt. Now, suicide is the #1 leading cause of death for young people aged 14 plus. And we've got statistics out there that say that if you live in regional or country areas, sometimes the risk of mental health is up to 60% higher than those living in the cities. And we do know that there's some First Nations, Aboriginal, Torres Strait Islander communities in which some of the community members are up to 8 times more at risk than their non-Aboriginal, Torres Strait Islander peers. So that's why we exist. We are on a mission aiming to reduce the risk of suicide through interactive workshops in schools, workplaces, and in the community. So our programs exist to do 2 things. 1, identify what are the signs and symptoms of mental health. And 2, we really want to demonstrate and showcase what mental health help seeking looks like, because there's some amazing services out there, but often people may not know how to respond in a time of need. So what our programs do is we actually stage stories of lived experience. So the stories that we portray are actually real life stories, and we hire professional actors. And our program facilitators will go back through the storyline, because the first time through it ends quite badly. We want to try and educate what mental ill health actually looks like. But then we actually take the audience on a journey where we get a chance to change some of the outcomes on stage or in the workshop. And in doing so, we get to highlight where are the help-seeking opportunities for the community. Now, our programs have actually won some awards. We've won some state awards, some national awards, and most recently some international recognition for the programs that we do. And something that you may not know is our program has been thoroughly researched over the years. What we do know is that people expect mental health programs to be sometimes triggering, for example, very confronting, especially if we are talking about taboo subjects like suicide. But we've actually been able to create a fun, safe environment to have these conversations. And that came up in the research time and time again, that participants actually enjoyed themselves. They found a safe environment to have these conversations, to raise some important questions and to learn along the way. Through interactive role play, we're able to build some skills, to build resilience, to know what to do in a time of need. Now, what we do is we actually go out and visit your school or your workplace or your community. We've got some organised and tailored programs already that we are here to actually support you best. So sometimes that means we can actually tailor some specific projects that suit your needs the most. So if any of what I've said interests you, please do not hesitate to get in touch.